Hello, good evening. There are many terms which is very familiar, like to if you mention few discussion, group work, homework, assignment, presentation, classroom roles, attendance, participation, feedback, and reflection. So all these terms are very familiar for the students and the teachers. And today I want to talk about other few terms. Before that, let me say, and when the teaching and learning happens, the teacher asks questions to check their attentiveness, to check whether they are following more information regarding the topic, to know all that various type of questionings are put forward. And it is rightly said, questioning is an art. From the student's point of view, when we ask questions, they are generally little hesitant. We will agree with that. To make the questions more positive, we can apply certain strategy called warm calling. So, what is warm calling? Suppose the teacher asks a question and then the teacher gives the time to think before answering. Before giving the answer, teacher gives the time to think. Preferably, if it is done in a smaller group, they discuss and then you pick up a person. Suppose it is Vishnu. So, what did you discuss in your group? So, at that situation, definitely Vishnu will be more confident and more he would be more the readiness will be better if a warm calling situation is created as and when required. So we can say that it might take some 30 seconds or a little more. That's it. This will definitely encourage children in participating in the classroom discussion, helping them to come forward to express their ideas. Yeah. And when I said it's warm calling, then what is there is something called cold calling also. Cold calling is when the teacher asks a student to answer without any kind of that preparation time is not given. Generally, we ask, can anybody answer if anybody who's willing to take the turn, or the teacher may randomly call. Let's take it as Rahul. So Rahul give answer to the question without, without any preparation. Give it immediately. So that's the difference between cold calling and warm calling. To certain extent, yes, warm calling will good strategy for the classroom learn. The term feedback. The feedback is very familiar to all. Feedback is when you're giving a remark of a thing which is already done, we can consider it as feedback. Okay, and the other term is feed forward. So what is feed forward? Advice on how to improve in future. How to improve in future, we can use the term feed forward. Example is next time speak a little more louder during a presentation. Examples which they will be able to connect. Yeah. So thought these two terms